I've kind of been in a mini art block today. Just for today. Really not something that's been going on for a while, but I was sitting in my room thinking about how I had no inspiration and looked out my window and thought, I should just go outside. And so that's what I did, and I decided to kind of, for inspiration, take a walk down memory lane, and I came to my childhood treehouse. I guess it kind of takes me back to a lot of memories when we used to film here, my sister and I. We did some little videos and stuff and had some fun out here, and really we would come out here for no particular reason, just to enjoy being outside, and that's something I haven't taken advantage of these past few years. Life got in the way. I, more focus on career, especially since I graduated. Haven't really taken the time just to come out here and get inspired. Forests are not my strong suit. I have some downtime which doesn't come as often as it used to, and so I just thought I'd come outside and do some sketching, some environmental sketching, and just get some inspiration from nature, because I don't know where else you could better find inspiration than just being out in the woods in the summer with all the lush trees and the birds and the squirrels, and sometimes the deer will come by and you never really know what you're gonna find out here, or airplanes going around up top. I just kind of wanted to come out here and collect my thoughts and get some inspiration. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and find some good spots to do some sketching, and I'm gonna see where that takes me. I've found an interesting spot right here in this gully. It's sort of a little valley that dips pretty far down, and I think from the right angle this could look really interesting. A bug just flew in my eye, you guys. Sadly, I wasn't able to record the whole thing because I don't have a lot of battery life left and the camera's about to die, but this is the end result of what I came up with. I will say that this was very helpful for me to figure out kind of to get me through this art block and to inspire me more. I think I should do this more often and come out here and do some sketching, because this was fun to do, even though it's probably hard to tell what it is. I can still tell what it is, and I still enjoy drawing it because I found something that was really interesting and I got to kind of portray it how I saw it, so it was really cool. If you're new around here, I make new art videos every single Friday, so be sure to stick around and check those out. So if you aren't already and you'd like to be sure to join my pirate crew by hitting subscribe right there down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this special episode, and I will see you guys next Friday.